Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download Figma plugins. So first of all you just have to open your web browser and in the search bar of it you will have to type figma.com. This will land you on the official website of Figma where once you have successfully logged in into your account you will be redirected on your dashboard. Now over here you can either select a new project or you can even select any of the previous projects in which you can download your Figma plugins. Now here in the top you are going to see this tab, so you simply need to click on it and then by default you will be on this components tab. So first you will have to select it as plugins, and once you do this you are going to see a bunch of different plugins from the community which you can use in your Figma project. Now if you want to find any specific plugin, then you can also type the name of the plugin in the search bar and then it will show you the plugins relating to your keyword. Now if you want to run any of the plugins, then what you can do is you can simply select the section on which you want to use that plugin. After that you just have to press right click and here you will be able to see the section of plugins. Now once you hover over to plugins, you will be able to see all the plugins that you have installed. Now if you want to run it, then you simply need to click on the plugin and then you will be able to see the pop-up relating to that plugin. After that you will be able to easily use it on your project. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.